The next question is, a corporation uses Amazon API Gateway and the API Gateway native API key validation to maintain a REST service. Users can now join up for the service through a new registration website that was recently developed by the corporation. The registration page uses create API key to generate a new API key and send it to the user. The user service a 403 forbidden error when attempting to call the API with this key. Existing API users are unaffected and can continue to utilize it. What changes to can the code will allow these additional users to access the API? Option number A, the create deployment method must be called so the API can be deployed to include the newly created API key. Option number B, the updated authorizer method must be called to update the API authorizer and include the newly created API key. Option number C, the import API keys method must be called to import all newly created API keys into the current stage of the API. Option number D, the create usage plan key method must be called to associate the newly created API key with the correct usage plan. Correct answer is C. The next question is, multiple EC2 instances are used to execute an application behind an ELB. Where is the ideal place to store session data so that it can be consistently delivered over numerous requests? Option number A, write data to Amazon Elastic Cache. Option number B, write data to Amazon Elastic Block Store. Option number C, write data to Amazon EC2 instance store. Option number D, write data to the root file system. Correct answer is A. The next question is, a development team is now supporting an application that saves cumulative gaming outcomes in an in-memory store. A database is used to keep individual outcomes. The team must employ automated scaling as part of the migration to AWS. The team is aware that this will result in uneven outcomes. Where should the team keep these gathered game outcomes in order to achieve the highest level of consistency without jeopardizing performance? Option number A, Amazon S3. Option number B, Amazon RDS. Option number C, Amazon Elastic Cache. Option number D, Amazon Kinesis. The correct answer is C. The next question is, a developer is developing an application for Amazon EC2 instances. To read and write records, the application must establish a connection to an Amazon DynamoDB database. The security staff must change access keys on a regular basis. Which technique will meet this criteria? Option number A, create an IAM role with read and write access to the DynamoDB table. Generate access key for the user and store the access keys in the application as environment variables. Option number B, create an IAM user with read and write access to the DynamoDB table. Store the user and name and password in the application and generate access keys using an AWS SDK. Option number C, create an IAM role, configure read and write access for the DynamoDB table and attach to the EC2 instances. Option number D, create an IAM user with read and write access to the DynamoDB table, generate access keys for the user and store the access keys in the application as a credentials file. The correct answer is D. If you are looking for any particular certification which is currently not available on our channel, please mention that in the comment. Our team will prioritize those. Thank you.